tout le monde. Je m'appelle Laurence. Et je suis un website developer. Hi, my name is Lawrence. I'm a website developer. Today, I decided to create a website in simple way as possible and share it on social media. So even if you have a website, and we like to bring the traffic into the website, I'll create a tunnel review live right here so we can share it on social media. Si vous avez un site et vous voulez créer des tunnels pour pouvoir ramener du trafic dans votre site, c'est exactement ce que je vais faire maintenant avec vous. Voilà, on est parti. Je partage l'écran. Voilà, hop, l'écran 1. Voilà, partager. Et là, je vais aller sur celui-là. Je vais fermer et on va aller ici. Donc, je vais créer un site pour une thérapeute. Donc, I'm going to create a website for a therapy. A friend of mine called Nadia, I'm going to create a website for her. So right here, I'm in my dashboard. Je suis ici dans mon tableau de bord. Donc, je vais créer un site. Je vais cliquer ici, ajouter un nouveau ou add a new one. Je vais seulement dire Nadia Therapy. I'm just going to take the name here, Nadia Hypnotherapy. Voilà. I'm just going to take this title and I'm going to come here. I'm going to put it there. I'm just going to leave it there. And I'm going to give it a name because it need to have a website name. So I'm just going to get the exact name. Donc, je vais prendre le même nom, Hypnothérapie. Voilà. Et là, je vais mettre en anglais, catégorie, je ne suis pas très sûre. I'm not really sure of the category, so I'm going to go for health. Health. Product, mobile, I'm just choosing a category. So yeah, I'm getting the category and I'm going to say soulagement de douleur, santé mentale. I'm just going to go santé mentale and je vais faire prochaine and c'est presque tout en fait. Donc là, on va aller maintenant dans le site. So now I just taken a site. So I said, okay, what is that? Yeah, that's kind of look cool. So I'm going to go down and I see here. So I said, okay, I don't really like this one. So I'm kind of going to change it. To change it, I'm going to come here. Donc là, on a déjà le site, maintenant là, on va le modifier. Donc là, je vais cliquer ici, je vais aller chercher la photo. Alors, je vais venir ici pour chercher la photo. Je vais cliquer ici, je vais vouloir mettre une autre photo, donc je vais faire ça. Je vais aller dans mon ordinateur pour prendre la photo que je veux. Donc, je vais faire, je crois que c'est là. Non, c'est pas là. So, je vais aller là-bas et je vais faire image. Normalement, j'ai la photo quelque part. Alors, elle est où? Image. Voilà, je vais prendre son image à elle. Elle est là et hop, je sélectionne. Et là, je mets la photo. Donc, je vais la mettre comme je la veux. Je vais la réduire un peu. So, I have chosen the picture that I wanted. So, now I'm just cropping in it. So that way I have it exactly the way I want. So I selected it and now it's going to be right there. So now I'm going to change the name because that's not me, Nadia. And I'm going to say Darcy. There you go. And I'm going to say London, England. Donc j'ai mis le nom de la personne. Et là, je vais repartir sur le site pour prendre des détails. Et puis, je vais faire ça. Le traitement. Je vais prendre tout le trait. Je vais faire hypnothérapie. Voilà. Et là, je repars sur notre site et je vais mettre l'adresse. J'ai pas mis l'adresse. Je vais mettre London, UK. Et puis, je vais mettre un peu ici, voilà. Et là, je vais mettre son email. son email. Voilà, je vais aller dans son site et je vais prendre son email. So I'm just going back to the website so I can get his email. I'm just gonna go all the way down if I can find it. All the way down, all the way down. So, right, so I'm just gonna go back to her Facebook page so that way I can get her email. So I'm just gonna say Nadia. I can't remember Nadia Darcy. There you go. So I'm gonna go back here. I'm just gonna grab her email address. I'm gonna go down, afficher tout. Okay, there's no email here. So for now, I'm just going to leave her email because I can't remember what is her email. So here, I'm going to go there. I'm going to go back to our website because I don't want to waste so much time. I'm going to get the link for her for her Facebook, and I'm going to add the Facebook link here. Facebook, there. I'm going to put a Facebook there. You can see that there is the Facebook that coming up, and I'm going to get the link for her website, and I'm going to put it down there. So I'm just going to put this one there, and I'm going to take this link so people can just click on there and go straight away to her website. This is the website. I'm going to grab a phone number. I'm going to drag a phone number here. Grab, I mean. Donc, je prends son numéro de téléphone. Et là, je vais descendre, prendre son numéro de téléphone. Oh, il ne me laisse pas faire. Voilà, je prends le numéro de téléphone. So I just grab a phone number. So I'm just going to replace the phone number there. So we have the phone number. And I'm just going to say it's Nadia Darcy. She just wrote to me, Nadia Darcy. Voila. And then all we got to do, we're just going to say, okay. And I don't like this part here. So I'm just going to delete this part. To delete this part, I just click on the blue side and we have here content section. I'm going to remove that and delete. It's gone. So now we have this, it's gone. So what I want to do, I want to get more information. So I'm going to go to the treatment. So I'm going to say, I would like to get a bit of about me. So I'm just going to get this one here. And try to put that there. No, I'm going to go, well, okay, about. That was the great place to start. So je vais prendre un peu plus de détails là où j'ai besoin. So je vais cliquer ici et je vais mettre ça dans notre site. Voilà. Et là, thérapie, je clique ici et je vais mettre tout ça là, ici. Voilà. Et je fais d'accord. Il y a trop, il dit que... Donc, je vais enlever. Voilà. J'enlève ça. Je fais ça et je save. Et je me dis, j'aime pas trop cette partie-là, j'aime pas l'image. Donc, ce que je veux faire, je vais enlever cette image, je vais mettre une autre image. Donc, je vais faire ça. Et après, je repars ici. So, I didn't like that part, so I'm just going to remove that and put something else. Because, yeah, it's kind of cool. I think I like the image. I'm just going to go again. And I'm going to try to change this background image because I don't really like it. I'm going to click here and I'm going to go to style and I'm going to change the image. So there, and I think it was health. So, santé, there. So, and then I will look for the picture that's kind of match what I'm looking for. I think this one. I'm just going to explore more pictures to see which one I like the best. No, it's not massage. So I'm going to go back to the top one. I like one of them I did really like. I'll take this one. I'll take this one. Yeah. This one is good. I'll put this one because I think it's reflect more. I'm just gonna wait for a few seconds because it's kind of slow. I take this one and I'll say save, select. There you go. So we have it here and I like it this way. So here, I'm going to add, I'm going to see, I have a logo there. So I'm going to grab the logo. I'm just going to grab the logo. This is a white logo. I would like a black one. I'm just gonna go to my page. I'm going to find the logo for her because I know I have it. Nadia Darcy. Yes, I have all the logos. So I don't like this logo. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go and change the logo. I'm going to go to here and I will change the logo. I'm just going to add a new logo. I'm going to go to Nadia, documents, and I'm going to change the logo. So I'm going to go Nadia Darcy and I'll pick the black logo. I like the black logo a lot. So I'm just going to put the logo. Yeah, I like that. And bam, we just have the logo there. And I would like to add also Facebook. And I'm going to grab her Facebook. I'm just going to grab her Facebook. I'm going to put on a heading. And I'll put the Facebook here. There, you can see on the top now, we have the Facebook logo there. And I'm also going to say, I'm going to save this one. And I'm also going to go all the way down. I'm going to change the footer because I would like to put more detail on the footer. I'm going to click here. I'm going to go there. I'm going to add the logo also because I would like it to match. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to grab the logo that I want and I'll add it there. There. There you go. So now I think it's quite big. So I'm going to try to get a smaller one. And I'll do this. I'm just going to reduce it a little bit more because I feel like it's kind of big. There you go. I like it better like this. And I'm just going to put London, United Kingdom. And then I'll also put a email, which was Nadia Darcy. We have Nadia Darcy, the phone number. Just grab the phone number here, copy, and I'll put the phone number. And I also put again the social media. I'll get her social media. I'm going to add the Facebook. You can add the Facebook. Tu peux rajouter Facebook, Twitter, your LinkedIn, ton Instagram, ton YouTube channel, ce que tu veux, tu peux mettre là. Et là, par contre, je vais sauvegarder. So, je vais sauvegarder. I save and save here. So I'm kind of like, okay, I want to put more pictures here. So I'm going to change this picture because I don't really like it. So I'm going to click here and I will change that. So by changing that, I just come to the menu. Pour changer les photos, je viens seulement ici et je clique là et je vais prendre les photos qui me plaisent de plus. Alors, je vais prendre ça, la première. Voilà. J'ai changé. OK. Je vais appuyer OK pour sauvegarder la photo. So I just click OK to save the picture. And then I'm going to come back to the second one. I also want to change the second one because I'm not really a fan of it and it doesn't really, and I'm going to click on this one. Maybe not that one. I'll click this one. I like this one better. And I will say that one, select that. There you go. And then here, before I get to the form, I want to add a section. So là, je voudrais ajouter une section. So, par exemple, je me dis, OK, j'aimerais avoir plus de sections que ça. Donc, ce que je peux faire, c'est vraiment prendre, comment ça veut dire, je vais prendre ça, je vais mettre ça là, tout en bas. Et là, je vais pouvoir le séparer. Non, 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 pas ça. OK. OK, delete that. OK, on se save. Grande image. Non, je vais faire ça. Non, non, je vais faire cancel parce que c'est pas ce que je voulais. So I'm just going to cancel it because that's not what I wanted. But I want to have a whole, because this one, all of them, they are in. So I'm going to duplicate this one, but I'm going to remove that. I'm just going to grab it and bring it all the way down. So to grab a section, you just pick the section and drag it here. And that way I can change that. So I don't like this section here because it's just going to make a space. So I'm going to delete that. Je vais l'effacer parce que j'en ai pas besoin. C'est cette section que je voulais. Donc, je vais faire ça. OK, ça ne marche pas parce que c'est pas le bon. Donc, je vais l'effacer. Encore une fois, je vais prendre une image et je vais le mettre là. Voilà. Et là, je vais la partager en deux. Et là, je vais prendre l'image que je veux. Parce que j'ai vu une image que je voudrais mettre. So that I put two images. I'm going to put this one. One. Just to give it a little bit more. And I'm going to select. There you go. And I'm going to remove. Je vais enlever un peu que ça, je voudrais que ça soit clair. Et là, je fais la même chose. Je vais prendre la deuxième photo. Je vais la mettre ici. So I'm just going to drag, add another picture. So, and then I'll go there. And I'll click this one. And I'll place it there. There you go. There you go. Now, there you go. So now I'm going to reduce the darkness on the picture. And I'm going to say that. Now, what I want to do, I want to say, okay, if you want to know more, you click here, or I'm going to redirect them to my website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a button and I'm going to go and put it right here. Once I put that button there, I'm going to put the title, I'm just going to feel free to, no, I'm going to say, to find out more, visit my website. I'm going to say, click on the button and let us direct you. Donc, je vais mettre un point d'interrogation ici. Et le bouton, il va aller directement dans le site. Je prends et je viens dans ma page. Ici, je vais mettre up. Oh, là, c'est l'écrit. La page, je vais mettre ici. Et je vais mettre click here. Et je vais changer le bouton parce qu'il est un peu trop petit. Donc, je vais le mettre medium. Et je vais agrandir le texte. Et puis, je vais changer la couleur. Voilà. Je vais mettre ça un peu jaune. Voilà. Un peu plus noir. Voilà. Non, non. Je veux la mettre comme ça. Yeah. OK. Là, c'est bon. Et ce bouton-là, il va nous ramener directement dans le site. Et là, je vais mettre une image parce que la forme, elle est bien, mais j'aimerais quand même mettre une image. Donc voilà, je vais aller changer, je vais mettre une image. Au lieu que la couleur blanche, moi, je vais mettre une image. So I would like to put a background image behind the picture because I feel it looks much prettier. So there, I'm going to grab the image that I want. This one, I think this one is way better. Yeah. Now I'll take this one. This one looks kind of cool. Just waiting 1 second to get that image to load. and I'll select. And voila, we have the image. And I will get that. I will say this default, I'll say min height, and I'll put the text in the middle. Là, je mets la photo, j'ai agrandi la photo et j'ai changé de couleur. Et je vais changer la couleur du texte. Donc, je vais faire d'accord. So I'm just going to change the color of text because I thought the text should be in white. And I'm going to put the text in white. Now, le titre, I'm going to put it in white. There you go. And I'm going to put that subtitle in white as well. There you go. I'm going to save that. And I'm happy enough for what I've done. So I'm going to save it. And I'm going to look at the preview just to see what it looks like. So I'm going to create that one. And we're going to see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. If we go all the way down, we have her detail. And just it's kind of slow because I am sharing. So we have all the way here. And I'm just kind of thinking I'm going to put that under. I'm going to put her, and I'm just going to swap this section to the here because I think it's going to look much better. So I'm going to take this section. I'm going to put it under there. There you go, under contact. I'm going to put it here because I think that's where it suits the best. Yeah, I'm going to leave it here. And we have this one going on. We have that one going on. I'm going to delete this one. And I'm going to change the color of the background of this section. Je vais changer la couleur de cette section parce que je trouve qu'elle est un peu couleur unique. Alors, je vais changer la couleur. Je vais mettre un peu de... Non, un peu de jaune. Voilà. Je vais prendre cette couleur-là. Voilà, je vais prendre cette couleur-là. Je vais la mettre ici. Je crois que c'était un peu plus jaune. Donc, je vais encore changer la couleur parce que c'était un peu plus jaune. Alors, on va aller dans les jaunes. Voilà, je crois que c'était mieux comme ça. Un peu plus jaune, c'est vraiment jaune. Alors, ok, je vais prendre la couleur. Alors, je vais chercher pour prendre la couleur. Je vais prendre la couleur là, parce que c'est cette couleur. Je vais prendre cette couleur-là. Excusez-moi, je prends un peu d'eau. Je vais essayer de prendre la couleur. C'est un peu long, mais je vais quand même prendre la couleur. Elle est où? Voilà, je vais prendre cette couleur-là pour que ça soit exactement la même chose. Alors, je repars. Ici, je mets la couleur. Alors, voilà. Voilà. Je vais laisser cette couleur-là ici. Et je vais changer aussi la couleur de celle-là. Je vais mettre celle-là aussi. Excusez-moi, c'est mon fils. Allez, tiens. Alors là, je vais aller ici. Je vais changer la même couleur. Je vais mettre la même couleur que j'ai pris tout à l'heure. C'est d'accord. Je vais prendre aussi ici. Je vais mettre la même couleur. Donc, voilà. Je fais OK. Je prends ici. Je vais mettre la même couleur. Voilà. Je vais changer la couleur. Voilà. Je ne crois pas que je pourrais changer. Voilà. Je vais changer la couleur d'ici aussi. Là, par contre, je vais mettre noir. Tac, tac, tac. There. Et là, je vais mettre, par contre, je vais maintenant mettre le reste en blanc. Alors, le texte, je vais mettre le texte en blanc. Voilà. C'est le body text. Je vais mettre le heading aussi en blanc. Voilà. Et là, je fais OK. Je fais sauvegarder. Et je fais l'aperçu. Voilà. Là, maintenant, on a le site. On a le site qui a changé de couleur. Voilà. Et ça va tout en bas. Et voilà. Et là, on a le site entier. Donc, ce que je veux faire, je vais maintenant la partager. Donc, j'ai fini le site. Now, I have finished the site, change the color, change the background, change the image. I have done all that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save and I'm going to exit. And I will share that on social media. So this is my account. I will share it on my social media right now. You'll be able to see it. And I will go, I think it's in the second page. Oh, and this straight, no. Go, comme ça va là. This is the website. So what I'm going to do now, oh, I didn't put the image here. So I'm going to do that right now because there is no image. So I'm going to put the image on the data. So I'm going to come here. Je vais mettre l'image pour qu'on reconnaisse quelle image. Donc, je vais mettre ça. Et puis, je vais encore aller dans les santé. Et là, je vais pouvoir choisir la même image qui est au début. Comme ça, on n'oublie pas c'est quel site. So I'm just going to get the wallpaper image, the background image. I'm going to add it there so I won't forget. When I'll see the website, I remember which website is it. So I'm just going to wait for it to download. It's taking a bit of time, so I'm going to drink a little bit more water. Now, there you go. I do that. And I select. And I'll save and exit. Now we'll be able to see the image. So we recognize the website by the image. There you go. So now I'm going to share it on social media. So I'm going to go and say share it. I'm going to say Facebook. I'm just going to change the language for a minute because now we're saying in French. I'm going to change the language there and I'm going to say it hasn't come back. So now I'm going to share it, post and send. I'm going to say social media. I'm going to say share. And right now I'm going to put it first on my, I'm going to put it first on my profile. I'm just going to go share up is there. It is publish it. And then once I share it, I'm going to come back to my page. I'm going to come back to my Facebook. Donc, je l'ai partagé sur mon Facebook. Et là, je vais repartir ici. Donc, voilà. Ici, je vais la mettre ici. So I'm going to go back to my profile where I share it. And I will see what it looks like. Here you go. So, ta-da, the website is there. And if I share it, I said, I want to see it. So once you click on it, it's going to open. It's going to open what we just saw right now. So you have the website here. You have all the detail there. So now you can see that we have a slideshow that's going on there and you can see all the details. So now if I want to go to the website, I don't want to click here or I don't want to click there. And it say, click here to visit my website directly. So I just click there. It's going to take us to her website straight away to find out more because there we just give some basic information just to drag the traffic to our website or to drag the traffic to, for example, for your website where you can purchase something or to drag the traffic to the to your YouTube channel, for example. Here, for example, I have clicked there. And if we want to go to our Facebook page, I'm just gonna come back to the website we created. I'm just going to return here. And I'm going to come back. And if we want to go to the to her Facebook, by clicking on this button here, it's going to take us to her Facebook. So straight away it comes back to her Facebook. So if it was like we could have added her page, but I don't have her page right now, I will add it. I will add it later. So here right now we are on her. We are right now on our Facebook page, on our Facebook profile, so you can see all about her. So from her page, it's directing us wherever we want to go. So that just takes us less than a day to create a a direction website. At the same time, if you want, you can keep this as your page as you like, but remember, you won't have a .com or .fr. If you want to, we have to purchase, but this one is free. This is my friend. I've chosen to create a website. So here, when I'm on my page, what I can do, I can share it. So I'm just going to share it with her right now. I'm just going to share it with her page. I'm going to say, Nadia Darcy. There you go. I'm just going to put it on her page right now. So I'm just going to put publish. And there is a problem with Facebook right now to publish it. So as you can see, I can publish it in another. For example, I said I want to publish it on my page. I'm just going to go here and publish it. So guys, I'm going to put it here just to give like what I've done right now. So I'm just going to put it and then share. And it's just going to go to my page. And then when I go to my page, we will be able to see it. So now I'm going to go to my page so I can see, I can show you where I just shared it. So je vais aller sur ma page et seulement vous montrer que je l'ai partagé. So là, je vais cliquer ici et là, j'ai le partage de ce que je viens de créer. Voilà. Il est là. Notre, la page que je viens de partager, il est là. Voilà, the page I just shared is there. So guys, thank you very much for being here and to listen to me. Merci beaucoup d'être là, de pouvoir m'écouter. Alors, la semaine prochaine, le lundi prochain, je vais créer une autre page, mais cette fois-ci, ça serait pour quelqu'un d'autre. Donc, celle ou celui qui veut que je puisse créer une page pour elle, une page Internet pour elle, contactez-moi. Je vais laisser le lien tout en bas pour que vous puissiez me contacter. Et celle ou celui qui veut que je fasse une page pour elle, en ce moment, je peux faire votre page pour vous aider à rediriger votre trafic dans votre site. Donc, je vais laisser le lien là. To all who want me to create a page for them, this week, I am creating a page for people. So like I showed you here, you can share with your friend. You can also share it on your social media or on WhatsApp, for example. If I said I want to share it on WhatsApp, I'm just going to click here. And right now, I'm going to change the person. I'm going to go back to my profile. I'm just going to click here. I'm going to go back to my profile and I'm going to share it. So I'm going to come back here on my profile and then I will say share. And share, partager le fil d'attente, partager dans un message. I'm going to share it on message. I'm just going to go. It's kind of slow. I'm going to share it on a message. I'm going to choose a friend and I'm just going to share it. I'm going to share it with a friend here up. This share, and right now the person will receive that. Just like you do share your messages on your phone, you can do the same thing. So guys, thank you very much for watching me building this website live. As you can see right now, she has it straight away on a page and I can send it to her friend and she can send it to whoever she wants. So right now, thank you very much, guys, for watching. And I will invite you next time, next Monday, right here. But next Monday is going to be at 5 o'clock. So that will be much calmer because as you can see, my scientist came a few minutes ago. So I'm going to do that next Monday right here. we're going to create another page and we're going to also share it, and I'll show you the tick and trick, what you can do to get the traffic to your website. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.